Stevie will join us later.
Let's squeeze in a game then.
Ooh, should we pick up our last game of Warriors?
Sure.
I'm in.
Rock and roll.
Boom!
Save?
Yep.
Pizza.
Yes.
I'm waiting on you guys.
Stevie!
The party has arrived.
Where did we leave off?
An eerie mist clings to the wall of the cave, just as the villager said. Nevertheless, you're drawn in.
Wow.
Something is amiss. Roll for initiative. Critical hit. Roll for damage. Slain.
Awesome.
I gotta go. Okay?
Aww.
Bye-bye.
Back to our other game?
Only if you want to lose.
Load it up.
Blink enables you to ride your bike in a virtual environment as if you were outdoors. Take a ride in first-person view, or switch to a broader angle third-person view of your avatar in the virtual world. While riding, Blink's path sensors capture your bike's turning motion while the speed sensor measures the speed of your bike, giving you the best biking experience in VR and freedom to go anywhere in the virtual world.
Over the last 6 years, we've developed a new type of technology. It works like a magical looking glass. By controlling the direction of millions of rays of light, what you see through it becomes as real as the world around you. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, your first personal holographic display. The Looking Glass Portrait generates dozens of perspectives simultaneously. This results in a three-dimensional hologram that floats out of the display, viewable by multiple people. No headsets required.
I'm Sean Frayne, and I'm part of the team that created the world's first holographic display back in 2018. And it's all been leading up to this. This is a memory machine, and it's a tool for holographic exploration, and it's a new canvas for 3D creators, all wrapped into one device. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, and it's your first personal holographic display.
At Nog, we've never been a brand that follows convention. That's why we chose to use our 18 years of experience in lighting products to design the most powerful silicon headlamp ever. We are proud to present the Bilby. A 400 lumen silicon headlamp that has 6 lighting modes, is USB rechargeable, totally waterproof, and weighs just 90 grams. Whether you are a hiker, runner, camper, fisherman, or kayaker, the Bilby is designed for anyone who's looking for a powerful, reimagined headlamp to guide their journey. The massive 400 lumen output is something we are extremely proud of. It means a whole new level of visibility, allowing you to see far ahead whilst you traverse the trail. The Bilby has an outstanding battery life with a 5-hour runtime on high and an incredible 90 hours on low. Recharge by simply popping the rugged pod out and plugging directly into any USB port. No need for cables or disposable batteries. The Bilby has 6 standard modes including spot, wide, reading, and a red nightlight. It is also equipped with a special boost mode that, at the touch of a button, gives you maximum light output for 10 minutes, regardless of where you are in your battery cycle. Our replaceable pod chassis is packed with features. The 2 intuitive buttons allow you to save 2 favorite modes and electronically raise and lower the light beam over a 20-degree arc, allowing you to point the light exactly where you need it. The single-piece strap construction is made of medical-grade silicon and can be easily adjusted using our handy toggle. Designed for adventure, the Bilby is waterproof and lightweight. At 90 grams, you will forget you are wearing it at all.
Then, on his birthday, I get him the perfect gift. It's called Bird Buddy. It's a smart bird feeder that will notify him of the feathery friends in his backyard. It will capture their photos and organize them in a beautiful collection that is easy for him to view and share with others. See how pretty it is? And just look at my chirpy father. He's more excited than ever. Now he can rely on Bird Buddy to make the perfect shots he always seemed to miss. Are you a bird lover too? Or do you have one in your family? Get them Bird Buddy, because everybody could use a buddy. Help us bring Bird Buddy to life by supporting us on Kickstarter. Let's shape the future of bird feeding together.